Replacing your windows is one of the most rewarding investments you can make in your Loves Park, Illinois home. From improved energy efficiency and enhanced curb appeal to better noise reduction and security, new windows offer plenty of benefits. But to enjoy those benefits fully, professional installation is absolutely essential. No matter how high quality your windows are, improper installation can lead to costly problems and reduce the value of your investment. Here's why homeowners in Loves Park should always choose professional window installation, and what can go wrong without it. Correct installation ensures energy efficiency. Loves Park experiences a wide range of weather, from hot summers to freezing winters, and your windows play a critical role in keeping indoor temperatures comfortable year-round. Even top-rated energy-efficient windows won't perform well if they're installed incorrectly. Gaps, misalignment, or poor sealing can allow drafts to sneak in, causing your HVAC system to work overtime and your utility bills to rise. Professional installers ensure your windows are airtight and insulated properly, so you get the full benefit of double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and other energy-saving features. Protects against water damage and mold. Improper window installation can lead to water infiltration during heavy rain or snow, a common concern in the Loves Park area. When water seeps into walls and insulation, it creates the perfect environment for mold, mildew, and rot, damaging your home's structure and your indoor air quality. Professional installers use precise techniques and high-quality flashing, caulking, and sealing products to keep moisture out. Their work helps protect your home from hidden water damage and the high costs that come with it. Boosts home security. Your windows are not just for views and ventilation. They're also a critical part of your home's security system. Poorly installed windows may not close or lock properly, making your home more vulnerable to break-ins. Professional installation ensures your windows align with their locking mechanisms, frames are securely fastened, and everything functions exactly as it should. With a trusted window expert, you can also discuss options like reinforced glass or upgraded locking systems to give your home in Loves Park an added layer of protection. Maximizes window lifespan and warranty protection. New windows are a significant investment, and naturally, you want them to last as long as possible. One of the best ways to ensure durability is by having them installed professionally. Manufacturers often require professional installation for their warranties to remain valid. DIY or poorly done installations could void the warranty, leaving you unprotected if issues arise later. Professionals follow manufacturer guidelines to the letter, so your windows perform as intended, and your warranty stays intact. Saves you time and headache. Installing windows isn't just about putting glass in a frame. It's a complex process that requires precision, the right tools, and an understanding of building codes. Professional installers can complete the job quickly and efficiently, often in just a day or two, depending on how many windows you're replacing. Homeowners in Loves Park who try to take the DIY route often find themselves dealing with unexpected problems: uneven sills, damaged drywall, or windows that don't fit quite right. Hiring a professional saves you time, ensures a clean finish, and gives you peace of mind. adds value to your home. Curb appeal matters, especially if you're considering selling your home in the future. New, professionally installed windows not only improve how your home looks but also tell potential buyers the home has been well cared for. Buyers are more confident in homes that show high-quality workmanship, which can lead to a faster sale and a better price. Final thought. If you're planning to replace the windows in your Loves Park home, don't leave installation to chance. Hiring a professional ensures your investment is protected, your home is secure and energy efficient, and you get the best performance from your new windows. In a place like Loves Park, where weather can be unpredictable and quality matters, professional window installation isn't just recommended, it's essential.